If we make a pendulum of a very special height, about 25 centimeters, and let it move under gravity, it will make a very special pattern. Once every second, it will repeat. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem is, eventually it slows down. We would like to turn this maybe into a clock. To do so, we need to keep pushing, just a little bit though. One way to do that would be to build a little wheel that would deliver just the right push. Once again, we have our 25 centimeters, and if you notice on the bottom, there's a little push each time. Push, 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 all delivered by gravity. So, what we have here...
You should do something more productive with your time and not watch this. Because all you're going to see here is math.